Bitcoin took a bit of a dump and lost a major area of support after Wednesday's FOMC meeting. But prices come down to a key level and we're currently getting a bounce and forming what appears to be another bear flag. So today we're going to be diving into the charts, talking about the levels and the next trade setups that I'm personally looking for. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications because we are bringing you the most timely and the juiciest market updates here on YouTube. In order to determine what the future holds for the Bitcoin price, we need to build a little bit of context, starting with the low that we formed here on Monday, September 11th. Now this low, this is the long setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, literally from the exact level. And shout out to everybody in the Casper Crew, by the way, who took that juicy trade from the exact bottom. But when we put in this trade, we printed a signal on the chart that is very, very rare and very, very bullish. As the price was getting lower over time into that key level of 24,925, on Market Cipher B, we saw that the money flow, this purple stuff, was getting higher over time, and the momentum waves were also getting higher over time, strangely resembling the breasts of Sam Bankman-Fried. Now you can see here, as the price is getting lower over time, the boobs are getting higher, the money flow is getting higher, the green tattooed nipples are getting higher over time, the hair is getting higher. This is clearly a bullish sign. This is called a bullish divergence. And when you see Sam Bankman-Fried on the 4-hour time frame, historically speaking, this means a very significant bottom is in, and we can expect a lot of follow-through. And after we got that bounce, we actually saw price make a higher high than the previous high it had made. So this, objectively speaking, is bullish. But unfortunately, when we look at the chart, as we came up into this zone right here, we started to print the dreaded bald-headed Gary Gensler Market Cipher B pattern on the 4-hour time frame. The Gary Gensler bearish Market Cipher B pattern is where the price gets higher over time, making higher highs. But Gary Gensler, is this a security? Is it not a security? He doesn't know. And over time, he gets shorter, he gets balder, he gets more gray, the smile gets more and more photoshopped, clearly a bearish sign. And so now we can expect a retracement. However, because of the fact that we got the bullish Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern from the low, and because of the fact that we've changed market structure here, that means there's a much higher chance that even if we get a dump, we are going to put in a higher low and get a bounce. So the question becomes, where is that higher low going to be put in? Well, here's what I'm looking at. We know that we were trading in this kind of ascending channel, and we have broken down below that now. The reason why we're actually finding support right here from the trade setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, the trade I'm currently still in. Of course, we've taken a lot of profits on this trade already, guys, but we are still holding the position. But the reason why we actually got a bounce here is because along the way up, you know that there are people who longed and put their stop losses underneath this low. And they put their stop losses underneath all of these lows along the way up. And so we can expect, now that we've actually come down below this trend line, that we get a move back down toward the low of the range, because not only is all that liquidity going to be stopped out of the market basically once we come back down below this trend line right here, but we also are coming down to the low of the range, which is very significant because for the past few weeks, this has been considered the fair price of Bitcoin, where when we come above the top blue line, Bitcoin is overvalued. There needs to be a correction to the downside. When we come below the blue line, Bitcoin is undervalued. There needs to be a correction to the upside. So we have a lot of confluences down here at about the price of $25,500. We have the value area low of the range. We have all the liquidity and all those longs that longed along the way up that will be stopped out. And we have the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement from the high to the low coming in right around this area. So the next trade that I would be looking for is actually a larger move to the downside, putting in a higher low somewhere around the area of 25 to 25.5. If we take the box and we extend it to the left, we can see that this has been our support going all the way back to Thursday, August 17, 2023. So it's been a month of strong support, and I believe it will still act as support because we have 3 confluences right here, 3 pieces of intersectionality. Shout out to all my fat, white, ambiguously gendered college students. I know how much you guys love intersectionality. This is actually a picture of me in college right before I graduated with my degree in trans non-binary carbon emission studies. It was actually my study of intersectionality that got me into the Bitcoin charts, looking for these areas where we have all these things intersecting, the fib levels, the liquidity levels, the value area low of the range. And so the next trade that I will actually be looking for is going to be something like this. This is the general idea. And where's my target target going to be? My target is going to be that $30,000 level, right around that area. This is a wonderful 5-to-1 risk-reward ratio. By the way, guys, if you want to trade cryptocurrency, I highly recommend my go-to exchange, MEXC. 0% make your order fees, 0.01% take your order fees. And also, if you want to join the Casper crew, where we give the trade setups like this long trade that we literally gave right from the exact bottom, bam, from the exact level. Also the short trade that we literally gave also right from the exact top. You can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. You can click the link to join the VIP Discord. We give our levels every single day, our trading plans every single day. We walk through the live price action multiple times every weekday. And if you want to get educated, guys, check out the courses right here. We're proud to announce White Phoenix's Smart Money Approach to Trading, the most comprehensive course that exists on the internet right now as it pertains to trading. Even if you've been trading for a long time, there is so much you can glean from this. If you are a member of the Casper Crew VIP Discord, he will cut $200 off the price for you. So only sign up, guys, to an exchange if you know how to trade. If you don't, get educated. If you want to join the group, jasoncaspertrading.com. And the reason why I'm targeting $30,000 Bitcoin is the following. When we take a look at this market structure, we made a high, we made a higher low, we made a higher high, and now we've made a lower low, which means we can expect a lower high to be put in. Now the question is, where's that lower high going to be put in? Well, if we take the Fibonacci retracement tool from the high to the low, and also if we go ahead and take the fixed range volume profile and look at all of the price action that we traded here, we can see once again we have some really nice intersectionality around that $29,000 to $30,000 level, where we have the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement, the 618 level, as well as the 786 level. If you guys know anything about the 618 level, well, 618, well, her name is actually Six Juanita. This is my high school crush. And I didn't know this at the time. I thought she liked me. Turns out I was in the friend zone. I mean, she kind of liked me, but she didn't like me like that. She was mostly just using me because I was doing her homework and letting her copy off my tests and stuff. Long story short, whenever I asked her out in high school, she broke my heart. She gave me the hand, she gave me the face, she gave me the nose, she gave me the teeth, she gave me the eyebrows, she gave me the hair follicles, and you can see right here, boom, a harsh rejection from there. Okay, now her older sister, the 786 fib level, she definitely won't go out with us because she's probably not even into men. And so we can see that as we come up to this level, what we want to look out for is basically the dreaded bald-headed Gary Gensler pattern, right? If we get a move down like this, bam, and then we get a move up like this, boom, we want to see, once again on Market Cipher B, something happening like this, where as the price is getting higher, the momentum waves are getting lower, and that's how we know that this is going to be a massive swing short opportunity when we see those bearish divergences on the 4-hour time frame. And then we can actually look to take a short from this level back down, making a lower low. This is the Grandmaster plan that I'm actually currently trading on Bitcoin. As you can see, we gave the short setup in the Casper crew. I'm looking to long the retracement into the $30,000 level, compound the short, and take it down potentially to lower prices. And then once we bottom out, I do believe we are going to enter into the massive bull run once Bitcoin gets to halving in about half a year. So guys, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the juiciest Bitcoin updates every single day. May God bless you all in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I will see everybody in that next video. Peace!